Changing my brakes. I have new pads and rotors right over here. They're a little low. So here we go. I'm going to start jacking, taking things off. Okay. So now I can see the brake rotor. There's a wicked lip on it. That means it's time to get rid of it. Here's a caliper. And there's some plastic nubs back here with caps. You just take 7mm, where are we? 7mm Allen or T45. Get that sucker out of there. That's what I'm going to do next. Well, that was easy. There's two of those bolts. Two of those little caps too. So caliper was off. This lip, brutal. Held the caliper and the pads on there. So now I'm gonna go replace them. This rotor's trash. Just garbage. No good. Here we go. Okay, got those pads out. And stupid pin, I'm gonna have fun putting that back in. Now we need to press that piston back. Can't do it by hand. I got this. Okay, see how the piston is flush? Or almost flush? I'm going to try that again. See if we can't do it a bit better. Okay, so got those pads and a new rotor on. Turns out I don't have to reuse that clip, which is a good thing because that was a bitch. I hated that. So that's on. These are NASCAR brakes. I got a neat little sticker on it. I'll place in my rear window once we're all done. Now I can say I have NASCAR brakes. Put this back in. And we'll torque those two bolts back in and we're good to go. Okay, so everything's on. So far okay. I just need to retorque those tires, or the wheels, lug nuts. You can see the new brakes inside. Whoa. Nice shiny new rotors. Just gonna retorque these and then we'll go for a ride. Okay, so ready to go. Wheels are on tight. I'm a little cleaned up. Now this thing here I bought a Canadian tire. Came apart. It's a T45. Of course, it doesn't want to come on off right now. I'll show you guys, but you can see it's really crooked. That's what I had to use to torque the caliper bolts back on. I'm taking that back to Canadian Tire. Got my water. Goes back there. We'll put on our seatbelt. And I should say before we go that this goes out to Dave's farm. Dave Rock, just playing rocks. I watch him every day. Car started, that's a good thing. Let's close that garage door. Okay. And let's go. First, let's turn on the lights. Do a test. So far, so good. Pretty good still. No weird noises. Nice and smooth. Canadian Tire's closed by now. So far, so good. I'm gonna get out on the